Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 simple steps to revolutionize your meditation practice. Meditation is a powerful tool for relaxation, stress relief, and spiritual growth. But if you're struggling to get the most out of your meditation sessions, these tips might be just what you need to take your practice to the next level. The first step to revolutionizing your meditation practice is to set an intention. An intention is a goal or purpose that you set for your meditation session. It could be as simple as wanting to feel more relaxed or focused, or it could be a more specific goal, like cultivating gratitude or compassion. Setting an intention helps you to focus your mind and directs your energy towards a specific outcome. Take a few moments at the beginning of each meditation session to set your intention, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. You might even want to write down your intention in a journal or on a notepad to help you stay focused throughout your practice. The second step to revolutionizing your meditation practice is to experiment with different meditation techniques. There are many different types of meditation, from mindfulness meditation to loving-kindness meditation, and each one has its own benefits and challenges. Don't be afraid to try different techniques and see what works best for you. You might find that you prefer guided meditations, or that you enjoy chanting or visualization practices. The key is to find a technique that resonates with you and helps you to achieve your goals. The final step to revolutionizing your meditation practice is to practice consistently. Meditation is like any other skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Make meditation a regular part of your routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Set a specific time and place for your meditation practice, and try to stick to it as much as possible. Remember, the benefits of meditation come with regular practice. So, even if you don't feel like you're making progress right away, keep at it. You'll be amazed at the results over time. And that's it. 3 simple steps to revolutionize your meditation practice. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I encourage you to incorporate them into your own meditation routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.